Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by choosing a single, high-quality room photo and uploading it to Interior AI. Explain why. The model needs clean visual data to propose layouts and styles. Once uploaded, use the crop and straighten tools to isolate the room. This saves time and avoids strange edits. Make sure to remove personal clutter and clear reflections so the generated designs read as real. After that, select the room type and desired style tag to kick off the design process. Next, you choose a style preset or mix two styles to guide the algorithm. Explain how. Presets set furniture, color, and mood probabilities so results match your intent. Once selected, use the mask brush to mark surfaces to change or protect. This ensures the AI edits only walls, floors, or specific items. Then tweak intensity and furniture density sliders to control subtlety versus overhaul. If you want specific pieces, add keywords for materials or items to refine the output. Finally, you refine and export. Run several renders, compare outputs, and save the best versions so you can choose details later. Make sure to export high-resolution images or the suggested furniture list for shopping. If edits look off, try recropping the photo, expanding masked protected areas, or simplifying your style keywords. This reduces conflicting signals and improves consistency. One key troubleshooting tip: when textures smear, increase mask precision and lower intensity to let the original photo anchor the result.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.